Hello, Club eFit crew. I'm Natalie Heckert, and I want to thank you for making your healthy eFit purchase, and I look forward to training with you. Let's get you set up and get started. And on the package, we have a base, a deluxe, and the premium. The premium package comes with the thin mat, and that is great for when we're laying down and doing floor work, or you may place it underneath your board if you're on a hardwood floor. With the tubing, I always start with the yellow. Yellow is the lighter resistance. To set up, you go through the small circular hole on the front of the board, and you take it up in the adjustment grooves you see on the side. And the deeper you go back each groove, the shorter the tubing and the harder the resistance. If you're in a chair or laying on the floor, you want it down deeper to shorten that tubing. The ankle cuff and the short tubing, you take down through the large porthole in the front, and again, go down and then over to an adjustment groove on each side. When you have worked on the yellow and it's getting too easy, then you can take it up into the green resistance tubing, which is more an intermediate advanced level of resistance. Let's get you set up for your chair aerobics. And this is for the toning. You can do aerobics when you're ready for the toning. Your adjustment groove is set level 1, ankle cuff on. Shorten up to groove number 1, 2, 3, 4 for the seated porthole, and add the resistance, and you can add that leg resistance. You can also place a wheelchair or a regular chair right on the back side of the board to keep it down. Now, as you get up, you can progress to a standing position, moving the grooves down to groove number 1 is going to elongate your tubing, making it better for a standing total body toning. So from here, ankle cuff is on. Your feet are up, big toe by the small porthole, and you can do your extend forward, turn. If we're going to go on the side, you're simply stepping back. So the tubing porthole, you're pulling that resistance from the plane, front. And then if you turn, then we're taking arms forward and your leg back. So that is your setup for the total body toning. Now you're ready to do aerobics. Take your ankle cuff off. Now for the standing portion, you always want your toes up by the porthole in front. Don't step too far back, just keep it in the center and get in the aerobics. You can go the forward and back, back, and up. Again, for the aerobic portion, the solid portion is facing forward. I'm excited for you to get started, and I'm equally excited to be training you. Start level 1, go low, go slow, take it at your own pace. If you have questions, get online and ask. And talking about online, we have a numerous 10 and 20-minute workout DVDs on there, live streaming, and weekly updates and podcasts available. So get online and let's get you on the road. I always crisscross it here to keep you organized. And on the back side, you take that ankle cuff. And you are ready. Anybody, anytime, any place, and together we are going to get and continue to be happy, healthy, lean, and strong.